How do you create a recurring meeting? First of all, where would you want to have a recurring meeting? Say at work, you have a meeting every Friday for the entire year. You can create a recurring meeting which you then forward to people and they can always use the same login details. So how do we do that? We go to where it says schedule a meeting. That's under meetings here. You then name your meeting. So we name it Friday team meeting. It's every Friday. We add a description. So you set the first date that you want this meeting to occur, which is the 31st day. We also set the time, probably 9 a.m. It's for 1 hour. But what we want to focus on is creating a recurring meeting here. So you simply tick there. Once you do that, you can see that the recurrence here is daily and it repeats daily. So we do not want that because it will occur daily. So what we do is we say it occurs every week on every Friday and it's going to repeat every week. So if you are a company that does fortnight, you just say it repeats after every 2 weeks. So your meeting will skip a week. But in this case, we're just going to say every week and on every Friday. You might just want this so that it doesn't end, so it goes forever and ever. But if you want it to end by a certain date, you can just choose the date that you want it to end by. Probably it's March and you just choose April there. Or you might want it to occur several times. For example, you might only want it to occur 10 times. So you choose that one. But for someone who wants it to occur continuously, or you want it to end by a certain date, you can just choose what you want here. In this case, I'm just going to say no end time. You also need to make sure that you enable continuous chat so that you can see any of the chats that occurred last time. Once you do that, you then click save. And there you go. You have a meeting that is recurring. So when you copy these details, they will show that this is a recurring meeting. It shows there that it's going to run from January the 31 and it occurs for 110 occurrences. So people can always click the same link weekly and they can get into that meeting. And the details are provided here where they can add onto their calendar and so forth. So that's how you create a recurring meeting. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel for more tips and let me know in the comments what Zoom features you are using and which Zoom features you like. And if you want me to create a video on a particular feature of Zoom, you can also add in the comments there.